Hello dear children, today we are back again with our chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shapes and we will start today our exercise 5.3. Before starting, we need to know about the angles which we have already discussed in some of my videos. Angles are acute angle which is more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Then right angle which is exactly 90 degree. Then obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay. Then reflex angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Straight angle which is exactly 180 degree and complete angle which is exactly 360 degree. Okay, so we have these types of angles which we have already discussed in any of my videos. Hope all of you have seen that. Now this exercise is completely based on these types of angles. Okay. Now see, here one chart is given where we have to match the two columns. Okay, where we have to match the two columns. How? In the first sum it is written straight angle. I am writing the question. Okay. Now this was the question that here in the left side it is written straight angle. Now we have to find the correct match of it from the right side. Okay. So in the first option it is written less than 1/4 of a revolution. Now see, this is the clock. Okay. Here we can write 12, here we can write 3, here we can write 6, here we can write 9. In this way we can write. Now straight angle means 180 degree. It means 180 degree. We already have discussed in my last video that all these angles are 90 degrees. Okay. And if we consider this part, then it will be 1/4 of the complete revolution. If we consider this part, then it will also be 1/4 of the whole revolution. If we consider this part, it will also be 1/4 of the full revolution, and for the same for this part also. So if we just break it in 4 parts and each of them becomes 90 degree, then each part will be 1/4 of the complete revolution, because completely it has 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there, and if we consider any one of them, that one will be 1/4 of the complete revolution. Now if we consider 2 of them, then it will be 2 divided by 4, means half of the full revolution. Okay. Now in the first option it is written less than 1/4 of the revolution. So let's match it from the next column. Straight angle means 180 degree, which is half of the revolution, means 180 means first, second. So it is the complete revolution. This is the complete revolution. 180 means this much only. So it is half of the revolution. So here column 1 option A will be matched with column 2 option C. Okay. Now right angle. Right angle means, as I said, any one of the part will be considered as 1/4 of the whole revolution. 1/4 of the revolution. Straight right angle means 90 degree. So let's find it. 1/4 of the revolution means option D. So the question number 2 of column 1 will be matched with option D of column 2. Okay. Now acute angle. Acute angle is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay, so it will remain only in this part. It will remain only in this part. Acute angle means more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It means it will only stay here, or it can stay here, but it will not touch the 90 degree line. Okay, so what can we write? Obviously it is less than 1/4 of a revolution, isn't it? It is less than 1/4 of the revolution, because if it touches this line then it will be completely 1/4 of the revolution, but it is not equal to 90 degree, obviously less than 90 degree, so it is less than 1/4 of the revolution. So acute angle, this option will be matched with option A. Means column 1 question number 3 will be matched with column 2 option number A. Okay, now obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. 90 degree means half of the revolution. Okay, 90 degree means 1/4 of the revolution, and 180 degree means half of the revolution. So acute angle is lying between 1/4 of the revolution and half of the revolution. First you need to understand that 90 degree means 1/4 of the revolution, this much only. 180 degree means half of the revolution. Okay, so we can easily understand that obtuse angle is lying between 90 degree and 180 degree, means 1/4 of the revolution and half of the revolution. So obtuse angle means this option will be matched with option E of the second column. Now reflex angle, this is also more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Now 180 degree means half of the revolution, 360 degree means full revolution, isn't it? Now reflex angle will be obviously more than half of the revolution, means option B. So we have got all of our answers. So option 1 will be matched with C. Option 2 will be matched with D. Option 3 or question 3 will be matched with A. Question number 4 will be matched with E. And number 5 will be matched with B. This will be the answer of this question. Okay. So first you need to remember that 90 degree means one part. So each of the complete number of parts is 4. 1, if we take this part only, it will be 1/4. If we take these two parts, it will be 2/4. These two parts means this is 180 degree. So 2/4 means also 1/2. So 90 degree means 1/4 of the revolution. 180 degree means half of the full revolution. Okay. And 360 degree means complete revolution. We all know this very well. Now let's come to the next sum. Now here also in this question it is written, classify each one of the following angles as right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. Now this one, obviously we can easily understand that this one is an acute angle. Okay. This one, obviously this is an obtuse angle. Very easy to understand this. This one, obviously this one is, no, you will say this. This will be your homework. Okay. Now this one, obviously this is more than 90 degree and obviously more than 180 degree also, isn't it? So this one will be your homework. You can say this, I know that. Now this one, obviously a straight angle, a straight line making an angle. So obviously it will be a straight angle. And this one also 2 acute angles are there making. So these will also be acute angles. So in exercise 5.3, it was a very small exercise as well as easy exercise. So today up to this much class. In my next video we will start solving from the exercise 5.4. Bye everyone. Stay safe.